We hung a rope from the ceiling and look at her. And she has been having a blast. We have one in the den as well. She's peeking in at the birds. She got a big smile on her face. I'm always in here with her when I put her on this. And as soon as she gets tired, then we take her off and go do our other stuff. I didn't think she was going to like it at first. I wasn't sure. So we just tried it. And within about 1 minute, she was soaring through the air. She loved it. She jumped off Kelly. When she swings past my desk, she tries to grab things off my desk. It's funny. You better leave my stuff alone. She's trying to reach everything on my desk. You're so cute.